Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I make these cycling shorts. These are measurements and materials which I'll be using to create my shorts. I will be using my old cycling shorts, as you can see they are very old, as a pattern, and I will be reusing elastic which is on these shorts as well. To begin my sewing project, I'm removing elastic from my shorts. So here's my elastic, which I removed from my old shorts. Now I'll create a pattern from my old shorts. I'm cutting the middle seam at the front and at the back. Next, I'm cutting open inside leg seam. And here's the pattern for my new cycling shorts. Now I'll cut a pattern for my new shorts. I'm placing my pattern on this black fabric which I have folded in half, so I cut 2 layers in one go. I'm making my waistline higher on my new shorts, so I'm adding extra 3 centimeters for the waistline, and I'm adding approximately 8 centimeters for the hemline. I'm cutting a front pattern approximately 1 centimeter for the seam allowance and 1 centimeter for the back seam. Here's my finished pattern for my new shorts. That's the left side of the fabric, and inside is the right side of the fabric. That's the back seam. It's much lower and much deeper, and that's the front seam, which is much smaller and higher. Next, I will sew these 2 seams together. I will sew these 2 seams using overlocking machine with 3 black threads. First, I will sew front seam on the shorts. Next, I'm sewing back seam together. Next, I'm marking the front of the shorts with the pins so I know which is the front side and which is the back side. This is how it looks after I sewed the front seam and the back seam together. Next, I'm putting those 2 crotch seams together, front and back, like that. And I will sew the inside leg seam there, right there, together with overlocking machine. Next, I will overlock waistline edge all around. Next, I'm overlocking both hemline edges. Next, I'll sew a top stitch on both hemline edges. I'm folding my leg hemline approximately 2 centimeters to the left side, and I'll sew top stitch all around. My first top stitch on leg hemline is finished now. It looks like that. I'll repeat same process on the other leg. Next, I will sew waistline on the shorts. First, I'm measuring my elastic, which is approximately 2.5 centimeters wide. I'm repinning my pins on the front seam a bit lower so they are not on my way when I sew. Now I'm measuring approximately 3 centimeters of the waistline edge, folding that edge to the left side, and I'll be sewing a top stitch all around the waistline. I will be leaving approximately 3 centimeters open so I can insert elastic. Here's that little opening for my elastic. So next I'm using a safety pin to insert my elastic in a waistline. I'm pinning both elastic ends together, and now I'm making sure that my elastic all around is nice and flat. Next, I'm sewing both elastic ends together. Next, I will sew together this little opening. This is front side on my shorts. That's the back side. Next, I will sew my logo label on the back side waistline. My shorts are nearly finished. Now I can remove the pins from the front seam. Now I know which is the back side and which is the front side. My shorts are quite stretchy on the waistline. Last thing what I need to do is to iron my shorts. And here are my finished shorts. If you have any questions how I made these cycling shorts, please comment down below in a comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.